All right, folks, it's Eddie. We're less than 4 hours now from totality here in Gander and starting in southwestern Newfoundland. The question is, what does the weather look like? Well, this is the only thing I'm going to show you right now because I am kind of getting short on time, and the show starts at 4:30, so I've got a couple hours now, 3 hours roughly to get things ready, and there's a lot going on here in Gander at the moment. So what I want to share with you one last time is the visible satellite imagery. This is what we want to look at today because this tells us where the clear skies are currently located. And I am going to try and draw out for you where the clear skies are currently. Basically, it's kind of anywhere to the west of that red line looks clear. And the clouds are trying to work their way to the east, although they are doing it rather slowly as they are kind of eroding. So the question is, how far east is that line going to go? And the forecasts do indicate it should make it relatively far to the east, encompassing much of eastern Newfoundland as the afternoon does progress. Not the Avalon and maybe not the Bonavista Peninsula. So if you're on the Avalon looking where to go, I would go west. Go west of Clarenville. Probably your best bet is going to be west of Clarenville, potentially inland a little bit. But it's not guaranteed. That's the one thing, the cloud cover is not guaranteed to clear. And even where it's already clear, what I'm watching right now is this area of cloud cover sitting back here off the west coast. See how far that makes it inland over the next few hours and see how far south that does make it. But right now it looks like the southwest part of Newfoundland going to be a good spot. Parts of central should be good as well. And then as we get towards Gander, the northeast coast, around Bonavista Bay, still a bit of a question mark, but my fingers are crossed. I am holding out hope that we clear out enough in Gander to see it. I know hope is not the best um, meteorological tool to use, but I'm going to use it today. And again, the eclipse will start around 4. It ends around 6. Totality is that narrow swath from southwestern to northeastern Newfoundland will last as long as about 2.5, 3 minutes in some areas. And that's going to start in Port aux Basques around 5:11, Gander 5:14, and Bonavista, I think it's 5:15. Anyway, we have the live show for you coming up on NTV starting at 4:30 and NTV Plus. So get the app if you don't have it. You can also watch NTV Plus on ntv.ca if you're not in front of the TV and you can't put on NTV itself. All right, folks. Well, that's kind of it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day and good luck watching total solar eclipse.